Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 49. Question number 8. Look at these boxes. Said now the volume of each of them but does not have one of the measurement. Help him find out the missing measurement by using the division. Example. One example done for you. Then part A I do for you. Part A. Volume 240 centimeter cube, length 8 centimeter cube, and breadth 5 centimeter cube. Volume 240 centimeter cube, length 8 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter, and now find the height. Area of base, length multiplied by breadth, 8 multiplied by 5, we got 40 centimeter square. 40 centimeter square. Now find the height. Height is equal to volume divided by area of base. 240 divided by 40. Now we got the answer 6 centimeter. Question number 9. Now copy and complete this table. Cuboid, length, breadth, height and volume. Then A 11 centimeter length. Then B height 8 centimeter, C breadth 12 centimeter. Question number 10. Solve this word problem in your notebook making complete statements. If a fish tank is 50 centimeter long, 20 centimeter wide, 15 centimeter high, how many cubic centimeter of water will it hold? Right? It means you find the volume of this water. Solution. Length is equal to 50 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. Volume water, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, 50 multiplied by 20, we got the answer 100, then multiplied by 15, got 1500 centimeter cube. Volume of water. Question number 10, part C. The aquarium in said spacewalker's home has a volume of the 12,000 centimeter cube. If it is 30 centimeter long and 20 centimeter wide, how high is it? Solution. Volume 12,000 centimeter cube, length 30 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, height find out. Area of base, length multiplied by breadth 30 multiplied by 20, area of base is 600 centimeter square. Now height is equal to volume divided by area of base, and 12,000 divided by 600, we got the answer is 20 centimeter.